Today I will explain to you how we can create the fall ceiling in Revit. So first of all, we have level 1 and level 2. Okay. So go to elevation and check the height. It's around 4,000. So you can go back to level 1. Okay. So now we have to create the wall first. Check the wall. Here you can select the top constraint. Okay. Take a rectangular. Just to draw like this. Okay. So we created this. After that, you have to create the floor. Okay, can create the floor here, right? Okay. Now you can choose the ceiling, but before the ceiling, you have to choose your ceiling plan level 1. Okay. Now I can choose the ceiling again. I will take it the plain ceiling first. Okay, right. After that, here you have two options. One is automatic and sketch. I can go for the sketch ceilings. After that, I will take the rectangular. Here I will make it around 600 offset and select this minus. I put it here. Okay. Now I created my ceiling, but here you can find out the gap. You can go to choose the 3D, go to shaded. So this is our ceiling. Okay. And if you want, I can select this one, go to edit. I can choose the structure and the material. I can choose it, the gypsum. Okay. Gypsum colors and this. Right. Now it's clear. Okay. Now I done this one. So if you want to just remove this wall, so it's easy. Okay. Good. Right. Now I can go back to the model place. Choose the ceiling. Okay. I will give the name. After that, I can choose the street. Okay. So I have to choose the big parts. Big part 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Right. Now I can go back to my south east. So this is a gap. I have 600. I already clicked that 600 offset. So I can go to choose my profile. Here to here I will take around 600. Here also I will take it around 600. Here also it may be. Here also I will take it around 600. Okay. After that I can go to choose the fit command and go back to my 3D. So I create it, but here, but we can remove one profile slide. Can go back to edit, east. I don't want this part. So I have to go for 50 and can select. Now you can go to select here. So this is our ceiling we created. Okay. This is our ceiling we created. So this type of ceiling we created. Now you can go back to the ceiling level one. Go to choose the component, base component, go to edit, load, choose the lighting. Okay, go to architectural, the internal. You can choose the spotlight. Okay, it's still here, upper light or anything. So you can choose it. Okay, any lights. Okay, after that you can place it somewhere here. So after that we can choose the annotate, take the annotate, take the measurements, take the three measurements and make it equal. Okay, so do it again. Close. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now it's done. Now I can choose these three lights. Go to copy. I can put it around 2000 mm distance. Again, copy, choose the multiple. I can choose it, the slides. Okay, so you want to select again. I can make it the middle. I can go to choose my ceiling. It's already here. It's already available from here. So you can go back to level one line. Choose your camera. Okay, you can just show the camera somewhere here. So this is your place. We placed it. The lights. Now you can go to choose the shaded or you can go to choose the realistic. So you can find out this is our ceiling and lights. Everything is over here. Okay. So